authenticity. It's your unique colors, song, art, the wisdom to recognize it, and the courage to express it and live by it. This is an imprint you leave in the world, on the collective. The saying, "It or they will never be the same," stands true. It is your legacy, your personal wave in the ocean. It creates movement. Moment by moment, there is an authentic expression that wants to be born. The moment is the container with whatever is already in that moment, whatever happens in the moment. What comes through you is what serves the moment always. Throughout your life, you just move on the spectrum of authenticity and you become more exquisite in your art if you choose so. Actually, even if you choose not to, the ocean you are part of will move through other waves that will move you on the spectrum. The more you make a conscious choice to become more exquisite in your art, the more you move in flow with the ocean and the other waves. Imagine a choreography with, let's say, 11 dancers. If only one dances, they will hit and feel pain too. The more dance, the more likely it will be for some to not hit anyone. But still, the ones who don't dance will get hit. You get the point. So go dance. This is the practice for today. Go dance. Go dance. Hi. Thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.